Like, Spoonflower was another big win for me because I was actually able to get my own name because the name Nadia Hassan is unusual here, but it's so common in like Eastern Europe and the Middle East. Each one of us seems like we won like one social media war. So I got my domain. It's NadiaHassan.com. And it's like not even the same person that like got them all. It's like each one's like a different Nadia Hassan. It's so funny. I am Nadia Hassan, and I'm a service pattern designer with a background in graphic design. I have been designing probably since I graduated from college in 2008, and I started out with a career in web design, but really loved patterns and just could not stop making them, to the point where that sort of became my main source of income, and that turned into my career. And now graphic design in its more traditional sense is kind of the background and patterns are forefront. I think the easiest way to stand out is to simply do what is you. And it's cliche and it's easier said than done, but it is really so important to do what feels right for you. The balance is always going to be between looking at what you think is done well by someone else and then going back and saying like, well, what's my version of that? Have work in your portfolio that is the kind of work you want to do. And I know like when you're just starting out, it can be a little tricky because you're like, oh, I don't have a lot of work. You know, and I think there's this tendency to want to show everything you've ever done because you want to prove that you have done some work, you have some experience, but I think a good portfolio really needs to have only work that you love in it. And that might mean having a personal project. Do it on your own, you know, put in the time, put in the effort, and put that in your portfolio. Branding is very important, but it's also kind of like the tip of the iceberg. For your branding to mean anything, you need to have like the base of the iceberg's got to be in place. For me, the biggest things that I'm glad that I did were just to always be making something. Prioritizing, if something is important to you, like that will reflect in the choices that you make. So it doesn't matter what you're choosing to work on and how you're doing it, what medium you're doing it, just as long as you are putting in that time. This was the thing that I told myself was important, and I felt like, okay, if this is truly important to you, you need to be putting your time and effort in that direction. Otherwise, you're just always going to dream and wish and hope, but those things don't get you closer to your goal. It had its moments of frustration. It had its moments that, like, there were times when I was kind of burned out and I didn't work for, you know, a few months. Like maybe I didn't make anything. And I think that's perfectly okay too. Like you cannot always be producing. And the times that I wasn't making, you know, like I was taking in inspiration and also just resting. Resting is important. Find some kind of routine or some kind of consistent, like make time for it, just like you would with anything else, whether it's exercise, whether it's like spending time with friends, like anything that's important to you, you've got to schedule it in and you've got to kind of like stick to it. Done is always better than perfect because it's easy to refine something, it's easy to edit something, it's hard, you know, to bring it into creation from nothing. Even if you hate it or even if you feel like, oh, this is not where I want it to end, it doesn't have to, but like at least you have a thing to build on. That's just really important, to pat yourself on the back for getting something done, having something out there, and then knowing that you can always come back and revisit it. I think that being more prolific than necessarily like raw talent is kind of what got me where I am. Like I just kept making patterns. I think if you put me in like an empty white room, you know, I would find some way to make, like there'd be a pattern by the end of it. It's just, I can't help myself. And I think whatever that is for you, just keep playing, keep having fun, and it will reveal itself.